Hi, Welsh Dragon Metals here, pouring a mystery metal round today. There's the material. That is a alloy of indium, tin, antimony and zinc. Looks kind of strange at the moment, I'll give you that. It's very shiny. And I will be pouring it into this mould here. I'll be using butane gas for this and it should not take long. As I said, there is quite a bit of indium and tin within this, which has lowered the melting point. It's also made the metal a little bit more valuable. Oh, look at that. Very, very shiny. Looks almost like silver, but it isn't. It is an alloy. A little bit of dross there, as you can see. And there we go, it's all in there. That's with the zinc exploding. Some material left in there that I believe is zinc. Yeah, that can go back in there. Unmelted zinc material in here. That'll float to the top of the rounder anyway. There's quite a lot of borax in here, so a lot of it is stuck in. But that is needed when making alloys. The reason for that is all the contamination, the crap there you see that I don't want, as opposed to that bit of metal there, which can go into the round mould. That'll be alloyable, it's usable. Mixing it inside of the round mould here, a bit at a time, using a steel spoon. Not much sticks to the steel spoon. It's alloying quite nicely now. Now it's reaching the correct temperature. Very little dross on the top. The dross there burning off. A little bit more in there, although I got a feeling I caused that then with the burning, so remix that. There's a little bit more dross in there. That's zinc most likely. Nice shiny strange coloration there. That to cool. Should remain liquid for a little while, however, due to the amount of indium and tin within this. It won't cool straight away. It'll take a minute or so. So we'll leave that for a minute. Hopefully it will cool sooner than later, that way I can weigh it and show you where the weight. I will likely be stamping it as well. Give it a good scrub, make sure it's nice and shiny first. Using a soft sponge, since indium scratches very easily. Tin also. Starting to cool, move it to a cooler part of the brick. So it'll cool a bit quicker. Quite a bit of material unwanted on the top, but that'll scrape off. As I said, it is quite a soft metal, and there is not much zinc in there. A lot of it has ended up in that there, in the slag pile, full of dross stuff. Lots of borax and bits of metal in there, chunk of hard drive, things like that. Previously melted objects. That's cool. In the last minute there, make sure it's all cool, since indium has a habit of splatting, even though it looks cool. It isn't. And I can't pour water on the graphite mould, as it will start to dissolve the mould itself. This is the one I tried using first. As you can see, it is broken. I've used it many times for many other rounds, and it's reached the end of its life. Shattered on me from overuse. Suppose it could make for good chalk though, it is graphite. Should be cool by now. Yes, it feels quite cool. Some of the dross is coming on and off of its own accord. And there it is. Not bad. Just quenching it in the water. The sizzle. And there's the round. Quite nice, quite shiny. That's the antimony and tin within it. And it should be quite soft also, due to the amount of indium within. Quite heavy, so I imagine there is a little bit of zinc in here also. Should clean up quite nicely, and I will stamp it around the sides as mystery metal and give it a number. So, very nice. Let's see what it weighs. Okay, scale set. It's a little bit wet still. 14.8 grams, thereabouts. See how many. Ooh, half an ounce. Quite nice. So we got a ½ ounce round here. Well, till next time.